Welcome back to FinMatrix Insider, where we dissect the future of finance and technology. Today we're asking a monumental question. Why are the world's biggest tech giants suddenly buying nuclear power plants? This isn't a headline from a science fiction movie. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, they are all making massive power moves into the world of nuclear energy. The stakes are huge, and the reasons are simple. Pure, unadulterated power demand. To understand the investment thesis, you first have to grasp the sheer scale of the energy challenge facing big tech. They are running a machine that is perpetually hungry. The explosion of AI, machine learning, and generative models has fundamentally changed the energy equation. The transition from simple cloud computing to advanced AI processing has pushed energy consumption past any previous projections. A single major data center, which powers your cloud services and AI queries, already consumes as much electricity as a small city. With the demand doubling every few years, big tech cannot afford energy instability. While tech companies are committed to renewable energy goals, solar and wind power suffer from intermittency. They can't deliver the consistent 24/7 power that crucial data centers require. When the wind stops blowing, your AI model stops calculating, and that is a multi-million-dollar problem. This is where the often misunderstood world of nuclear power steps in, offering a solution to the intermittency problem. Nuclear reactors provide power that is both low carbon and exceptionally reliable. They offer a high-capacity baseload energy supply, running around the clock regardless of weather conditions, a critical necessity for continuous AI operations. Even better, the technology is evolving. The focus is shifting to small modular reactors, or SMRs. These reactors are safer, faster to deploy, and can be built directly on-site to power a single, massive data center complex. So how exactly are tech giants executing this multi-billion-dollar shift into the nuclear power sector? The primary strategy involves securing long-term power purchase agreements, or PPAs. By partnering with nuclear developers, they lock in stable energy prices for decades, hedging against volatile fossil fuel markets and ensuring supply. Beyond just buying the power, some companies are making direct investments into nuclear technology startups, particularly those developing advanced SMR designs. They are literally funding the energy future they need. Furthermore, nuclear power, being a low-carbon energy source, aligns perfectly with the environmental, social, and governance, or ESG commitments that many tech giants have made to their investors and the public. However, no investment of this scale is without significant challenges and equally compelling rewards. The challenges include high initial capital expenditures, strict regulatory hurdles, and the persistent issue of waste disposal. These are complex, time-consuming obstacles. The rewards, however, are immense: guaranteed, reliable energy supply, a powerful competitive advantage in the AI race, and an enhanced brand image as a leader in low-carbon technology. The convergence of big tech and nuclear power is arguably the most important macro theme of the next decade. Keep watching for more strategic partnerships and increased deployment of SMR technology. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more FinMatrix Insider deep dives.